I just got done shooting our live conditions report. I'm with the dog. There she is. Digging holes in a place that it's okay for her to dig holes. Not my backyard. And yeah, I'm out here at Peach Valley taking a quick walk. I'm out of breath because I just walked up a hill and I'm out of shape. Ugh, I got to get my butt back in shape. But yeah, it's going to be an awesome day for the Shlog. It's a beautiful day. Today I'm going to be starting to take apart and work on the 2019 TE300i because we're going to service the suspension, service the chassis, all the bearings and everything like that, install a whole bunch of parts, new graphics, all kinds of stuff. It's going to be awesome. It's probably going to be multiple days worth of the Shlog. So yeah, it's going to be awesome. I can't believe where I live. I am the luckiest man on earth. You guys are great. Let's get to the daily Shlog. TE300i up on the stand, getting ready to work on that. But first, hey, I got another little problem motorcycle. The CRF50 here. Zach was working on it. He cleaned the carburetor. Put a carb kit into it, so new needle, new jets, everything. And it ran pretty good, but then the carb started leaking again. We definitely took a look at it together. It seems good, but it's doing it again. So I put a fuel filter in line. Or I had Zach put a fuel filter in line, and he got it all back together, was okay for a bit, and then it started leaking again. So yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to take the carb off and take a look at it again and see if I can find out what is going on. I got to do that really quickly and change a tire for a guy, and then we'll get to work on the 300. So the 300 doesn't have to be done until next Thursday, so we can go on our first Thursday night ride. So it's not a giant hurry, but I do want to get it done because it's actually really fun. So yeah, let's get this thing apart and take a look at this carburetor. Coffee time. So good. All right, let's get this thing apart and see what the heck is going on. It's driving me nuts. You can't win them all, sadly. Really hard to see, I know, on this camera, but the problem is there's no insert. It's just aluminum. It's just cast aluminum in there for the needle to go into. And it's a Viton tip needle and all that, but sometimes it's hard to get those to stop leaking. So I think I'm gonna run through the ultrasonic one more time, because why not? I got time. And we'll see. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna go do that. All right, guys, check this out. See my super duper fancy rig that I use? These are the links I go to help you guys out. So we're going to install a tire on that rim, and I'm gonna shoot it POV. We're filming. Alright, we got it out of the ultrasonic. Everything looks exactly like it did before. That's okay. But we're gonna blow it out really good. I'm looking in there and it just looks okay, but ooh, I might see something. I might actually see something in there. It's real small if it is. Man, no. I'll show you guys a trick though. Alright, so when you got a situation like this, it's not sealing up in there and you can't replace anything because it's just a brass or just a casting in the aluminum. Take a piece of emery cloth, kind of roll it up, So you get it into a point like that, and push it in there and just turn it around. So far so good, no leaking. I like that it got worse, because that means usually when the choke's on it should get worse until you turn it off. There we go. It's been a crazy day so far. Lots and lots of customers, which is awesome. The dog is excited about this. Get that dead bird, Leia. Still not that coordinated. Oh man, it's been nuts. Absolutely nuts today. I have not gotten as much work done as I had hoped, but that's okay. We're moving forward. I got the Husky 300 coming apart, so I'll show you guys that here in just a second. But yeah, out here with the dog, got to keep her exercised and happy so that she doesn't want to eat people, which sometimes she does anyway. That's okay. So do I. Hey Leia, come. You wanna get this frisbee? Get that frisbee. Get that frisbee. So yeah, the Shlog, probably not that terribly interesting unless something crazy happens towards the end of the day. But yeah, just lots of stuff going on. Getting lots of parts ordered, lots of things going. Got a Husky 350 coming in for a top end. We just ordered all the parts for it just a second ago. So yeah, that's gonna be awesome. We've done a few of those here on the channel, but we're gonna do more. And we're just gonna keep showing you guys all the cool stuff that we do. So yeah, I'm gonna play with the dog and we'll get back at it here in just a second. All right, so I'm finally getting a little bit of work done. We got the 300 coming apart, got the forks over in the tray. I'll be doing those tomorrow. I don't think I'm honestly going to get much real work done the rest of the day, just because it's crazy and it's almost the end of the day. But so stay tuned. We will be rebuilding these Explorer 48s from the Husky TE300i tomorrow. So that's going to be awesome. We're also going to be servicing the shock on this bike. So there she is, and it's an Explorer WP shock for linkage, so I got to take that thing off, and then we're going to be greasing the swing arm bearings, linkage bearings, steering head bearings, putting new tires. We got a Recon and an M59. We got chain sprockets, all new plastics. Yeah, tons of work. So I got to get after it. We keep having awesome customers come in. I'm a chatty kind of guy, so I end up talking too much, but I think we're doing good. So gonna be working on that tomorrow. We're almost done with the street legal on the WR450 and street legal on the WR250. We just are waiting on a couple little things. WR's waiting on shrouds. The 450's waiting on shrouds. The 250's waiting on tires, a rear tire that's DOT legal. Should be here Tuesday. And yeah, oh, we got the little 50 fixed. It's not leaking anymore. Really happy about that. And the DRZ 125 is still a devil child. It's over there thinking about what it did wrong. It's gonna nose in the corner until I'm ready to talk to it. Sorry, it's kind of a short slog, guys. Like I said, it just got crazy busy, and that's a good thing. Lots of things going on, lots of parts getting ordered, taking care of people. So it's an awesome thing. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. It really does mean a ton to me that you guys are watching. We're out spreading the gospel of two wheels. I just want to see everybody on earth ride a dirt bike because I think they are good for you. That's all there is to it. If you think what we're doing is awesome and you want to help us spread the gospel of two wheels, click that subscribe button. It's totally free. That would just mean a ton to us. Yeah. So, as always, I'm going to ask you right now, get out, spread the gospel of two wheels, and please, 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 you gotta find some time to ride your dirt bikes!